In today's video, I'll show you how to mute Microsoft Teams notification. So it's very simple. Just go ahead and open up your Microsoft Teams account. It can be either in the browser or the Microsoft Teams app. After you have opened it, at the top right corner, you'll find this settings and more button. This is the three dot button. Just click on it. And after that, just go ahead and go to the settings. And from settings, in the left hand menu, you're gonna find bunch of options, but what you'll focus on is notifications and activity. So just go inside it. And from here, what you have to do is, in the general section, you'll find an option called mute all notification, except for calls and meeting. So you just have to turn this on. And when you turn this on, you get a notification saying your notifications are muted except for calls and meetings. So you can ignore this because we're gonna manually go ahead and mute calls and meetings as well. So if you go to sound section, you'll find an option called play sound with incoming calls, request to join, and meeting start notification. Just uncheck this. It will mute all the meeting notification as well. Now scroll all the way down. Here's a meeting section. You have to turn all of this off as well if you don't want the notification. For the meeting chat notification, also select this drop down and select mute. And that's basically it. And there you go, you have muted every single notification in Microsoft Teams. And basically that is how to mute all notifications in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.